Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. A little bit of a different tack, guys. This was the trade of the week, or this is the trade of the week. WEBR. If you are subscribed to the trade of the week, you know that the suggested entry was 755. Yesterday did not hit 755. Today it hit 755 and way more. Now I should get a 5-minute chart up because I was talking about it when it hit. Yeah, I was talking about it right here, okay, saying, okay, guys, it hit that 755 mark, and all of a sudden, out of nowhere, a takeover rumor happened. So, Steve Gomez, he has to try to pick one stock a week as the trade of the week, and man, oh man, I don't know where this is going, but I mean, if you took advantage of it when it took that 755 out, and even if you got out in the 850 mark, I mean, these are meant to be longer term holds, granted, but what a great, exciting pop as I was talking about it. All right, guys, want to get back into the trading room. Have a great evening, everybody, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.